Hi leaders and the entire community. This is Dr. Nkosi here. You know, I joined Crowd One in August 17 last year. I was introduced by the legend Zanele Nkambule. And to date, I have made more than, let me just say, I have earned more than 1.3 million. And what has been puzzling me was that all the time when I listen to the founder and the CEO, they used to say, we have not done anything. And I thought I was making money. Now, on the 15th of May, I'll be getting my very first salary from Crowd One. Monthly salary. It starts on the 15th of May, ongoing. 15th of June, I'll be getting my payout for the fact that I bought this package from Crowd One. And again, it's gonna happen every 3 months. Now, I don't know. I can't explain the feeling that I have. I'm thinking of the people that I was recruiting who refused. I'm thinking of the painful situations we experience in our jobs. And I'm saying this is the truth.